Exactly 1 year ago, I presented the world my beautiful Gucci slides. They changed everything. I had the best time of my life exploring the world with these slides on my feet. In London, this bond was supposed to come to an end.
Let's concentrate.
The law of truth and love.
Since I have the slides, everybody told me to take care of them, because they're easy to snitch. While traveling through rough places, the slide safety was the first thing I checked in the morning, and the last thing I checked in the evening. Everything went well. That's what I thought. After 10 months of discovering 11 countries, our time ended in a disgusting hostel in London. Although I placed my Gucci slides in a protected locker, somebody decided to pick my lock and steal the slides. I was shocked, puzzled, didn't know what to do. This was the moment at which I realized how much these slides meant to me. All the happiness and pleasure linked to them were gone all of a sudden. We were meant for each other.
Now and then I think of when we were together. When you said you felt so happy you could die, I told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. But you didn't have to cut me off, make it like it never happened and then we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and that feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
I'm so happy to tell you that this is not the actual end of the story. After weeks of suffering, something responded to my pain. I found this little box as if it was waiting for me. I still don't know who or what did this. Maybe it was something like a divine force, I can't tell. But what I can tell is that it felt like a sacred gift to me.